Are you struggling to get your website approved by Google AdSense? Or maybe you're just starting out and want a beginner-friendly solution to monetize your content. Well, today's video is exactly what you need. Stick around as we dive into Hilltop Ads, a powerful and easy-to-use AdSense alternative that can help you turn your website traffic into steady income, even if you're a complete beginner. So, what exactly is Hilltop Ads? It's a global advertising network designed to help publishers like you monetize their websites with ease. Whether you're running a blog, a news site, or even a niche-focused platform, Hilltop Ads provides a range of ad formats to maximize your earnings. Unlike AdSense, which can be strict about approvals, Hilltop Ads is beginner-friendly and welcomes smaller publishers. Let's talk about what makes Hilltop Ads stand out. First, it supports various ad formats, including display ads, pop-unders, video ads, and native ads. This gives you flexibility to choose what works best for your audience. Secondly, its approval process is quick and hassle-free, making it perfect for beginners who don't want to wait for weeks to get started. Hilltop Ads also boasts a global reach, allowing your ads to target audiences worldwide. With competitive CPM rates, especially for traffic from Tier 1 countries like the US, UK, and Canada, you can significantly boost your revenue. Lastly, it uses advanced anti-adblock technology, ensuring your ads are seen and your earnings stay consistent. Now, let's compare Hilltop Ads to Google AdSense. Hilltop Ads' approval process is faster and more lenient, which makes it ideal for beginners. While AdSense primarily focuses on display and video ads, Hilltop Ads offers additional formats like pop-unders and native ads, which can be more lucrative for certain niches. AdSense often requires significant traffic, but Hilltop Ads is more welcoming to smaller websites. The payment threshold for Hilltop Ads is also lower, starting at just $50 compared to AdSense's $100. While AdSense may offer higher revenue potential for some, Hilltop Ads can be more profitable for specific types of traffic, especially from Tier 2 and Tier 3 countries. Getting started with Hilltop Ads is super simple. First, go to hilltopads.com and create a free account. Then, submit your website's details for approval. Don't worry, the approval process is quick and easy. Next, select the type of ads you want to display based on your audience. Once that's done, copy and paste the ad code into your website's HTML or use a plugin if you're on platforms like WordPress. Finally, sit back and let Hilltop Ads handle the rest. You'll start earning as soon as your ads go live. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons of Hilltop Ads. On the plus side, it's beginner-friendly with a fast approval process, offers a wide range of ad formats, has competitive CPM rates, features anti-adblock technology, and comes with a low payment threshold. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. Pop-unders, for instance, may annoy some users. Additionally, Hilltop Ads isn't as well known as AdSense and provides limited analytics compared to Google's platform. Overall, though, it's a fantastic option for beginners who are just starting their monetization journey. So, if you're looking for an AdSense alternative that's easy to use and delivers results, give Hilltop Ads a try. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips on website monetization, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.